it's Tuesday and we are having another storm. This one is actually an ice storm, not a snowstorm really. So all of that right there is all ice, not snow. It's supposed to go until about 6 tonight, I guess. So we're just staying in, enjoying the warmth of the house. The boys are over there cuddled up on the couch playing Tsum Tsums because Teagan likes to pop the bubbles. I'm thinking it's going to be the perfect day for me to put together my GhostBusters Ecto 1 and 2 set. I cleaned off the table from our last live stream and I'm gonna work on my Legos.
You should live stream you making Legos.
You want me to live stream me doing Legos?
I wonder if anyone would watch.
I don't know.
On a Tuesday at 10 in the morning.
I could probably try it. I'm gonna live stream my Lego building.
Alright, go for it.
Hopefully it'll go okay because...
Ben and Teagan are totally live streaming right now.
Yep, we are.
Ben's putting together this Ghostbuster. Teagan's having some ravioli.
John's vlogging, by the way.
Look, the You Now guys are in the vlog now. You guys will see yourself in tomorrow's vlog.
If you watch our vlogs.
Uh-oh, you broke Mama's little devil man? Uh-oh. Can you fix him? You can't really tell, but it is still like the freezing ice / snow out. It's very fine though.
I'm glad you're liking it. Oh, that's random.
And over here in the kitchen, I'm the one making lunch today while Ben's doing that. I'm like experimenting today. Ben, you hear that? I'm experimenting in the kitchen.
John just said for the vlog that he's experimenting in the kitchen. I don't know what that means.
I got pots and pans, I got stuff boiling. I'm like that little rat.
You're like the little rat?
Yeah.
Like the Ratatouille rat?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
We just watched the movie, so now I can cook.
You watched the movie, so now you can cook?
Of course, I have very limited ingredients today, so I had to go because I'm not going anywhere. So, I found some of this in the pantry. And I'm gonna melt the last of my butter here when this is closer to being done. And toss some of these in there. And I think they'd complement each other all right. Ben's kitchen with more John. Look at all these spices I can experiment with. I'm gonna get fancy with the spices. Ben?
I heard that.
People are gonna think Shining Armor and Cadence are based on us if you keep acting like this. Here's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. Ben thinks it stinks.
So I'm missing a couple pieces, but I got it all together. This guy's missing his wings. Teagan took them somewhere. I have a whole bunch of extra pieces, and I still have to put my motorcycle back together again. But here are the people with their proton packs on. And here's the car. How awesome was this? Opens up. The ladder goes up and down. There are mirrors. It's pretty neat. We'll see you guys later. And thank you guys so much for joining me during my Lego build. Bye!